In this practice, let's just take a few breaths and appreciate this moment. You can keep your eyes open, or you can close them. It's up to you. Just bring your attention to your breath and feel your breath flowing in and out of your body. As you breathe in, say silently to yourself, in. And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, out. Nice and simple. In, out. Feel your breath naturally becoming a little bit deeper and a little bit slower. And as you breathe in, say silently to yourself, deep. And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, slow. Now as you breathe in, say silently to yourself, present moment. And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, wonderful moment. Many times, if we're paying attention, we can find ourselves dwelling in the past or worrying about the future. But no matter what's happening in our life, we can always just take a few breaths and come back to where we are, finding peace in this wonderful moment. If you closed your eyes for this practice, go ahead and open them whenever you feel like it, and take this meditation with you into the rest of your day.